real hard. Basically, it's like a whole kitchen thing, man. Got potatoes frying, fricasseing on the side, vegetable medley, all type of spice combinations. You see some grapes, various oils, spices, wines, tweeds, various fresh treats. Bone like Rick Ross. Biggest pot that you've seen thus far. Then we're gonna take you inside. Ballin. Fresh juice. Apple cider, Michigan. Pomegranate, various berries of juices. 2 kind of creams. Various milks. Cheeses. Yogurts. Deli meat. 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 Got some Jenny-O's. Jenny-O! Various berries and rices. Ethnic background, various scents. Italian, Mexican. Some Bud Lights, don't hate. Fresh Frescas. Stella Artois. Clausen's. Various garlics, lemons, different array of spices and sauces, fine wines, jellies. Here's my little wrap. We got mad kind of food in the place. Lobster, crab, all up in your face. Lemon on the fork, knife in the hand, bib on the front. You know I'm the man that gets down on that daily tip. Motherfuckers know that I may be ill. Wes Restless, check the fucking way that we ball. Ghost ride the fridge. Step into the place, I'm a little ass baby. Roll to the motherfucking spot, go crazy. Eat up all your food, drink up all your milk, drink up all your coffee, make it smooth as silk. Yes, sir. I whirlwind through cities. New York, San Fran, South Dakota, the Wild Wild West. Yeah, yo. Bag full of money, bag full of money. Got a fucking gun, so you know it ain't funny. Look at the crew, ballin' in the old Wild West. That's how we do. Put it on your show. Ding it, ding, ding it, ding, ding it, ding, ding, ding. Ding it, ding, ding it, ding, ding it, ding. Making you that YouTube video? What? Making you that YouTube video? Yo, too fricassee it so you could just see it. Put another spice and then you can eat it up real quick. Cook it real fast. Got a bare shirt, so you know it lasts. Cook it up. Fry, 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 cook it up, cook it up. Fry, 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 cook it up, yo. We got garlic infused oil, so it don't spoil. Make it, let it boil. In the motherfucking pan. Spice in my hand. Why are you following me? Hold on, we gotta go outside to the grill. Bowls on the poster, keeping it real. You know the fucking deal. He's just trying to get a meal. Ding it, ding, ding it, ding, ding it, ding, ding, ding.